This function uses VMI prediction module to measure the actual waveform of the sensor and actuator, and uses simulation function to diagnose the vehicle. To connect VMI with tablet, USB and OTG cables are required as shown below. VMI uses the vehicle's battery as its power. Oscilloscope function uses total of 4 channels, and 2-channel mode, ground separation, and 4-channel mode, ground common, can be used. Individual setting. The user can configure sensor name and range, etc. for each channel. User setting allows loading of setting values that are frequently used by the user. Apart from the setting values saved in individual setting and theme setting, single-shot function automatically stops and indicates the waveform signal if the signal level configured by the user is consistent with the measured signal. Trigger function allows the user to touch channel area to display a fixed waveform, which makes the user to easily analyze the waveform. This function precedes zero adjustment for accurate measurement when using current, high or low current, sensor and pressure sensor in option function. There are a total of 5 available channels in VMI, which include 4 channels: CHA1, CHA2, CHB1, CHB2, and AUX channel. Each channel can be turned on/off, or option function can be used by using the channels and icons at the bottom of screen. For searching or measuring the saved data, all waveforms are overlapped on a single screen, so that waveform data can be analyzed easily. The waveform can be maximized, minimized by decreasing or increasing the timescale. Environment setting on top left corner of the screen allows adjustment of channel name, range and zero location, etc. Channel name setting. Channel name can be changed by selecting channel name. Range setting. Measurement range can be configured in accordance with the data being output. This function adjusts the location of threshold needed for duty value measurement. If oscilloscope function is stopped, the output waveform data can be saved. Use button on top to load a saved data. The voltage uses channel B, and it measures voltage difference between negative probe and positive probe. Resistance uses channel B, and it measures resistance between negative probe and positive probe. Frequency uses channel B, and as shown in the figure below, it indicates max, maximum value, MIN, minimum value, PP, maximum value, minimum value, and AVG, average value, which include current value. Duty uses channel B, and its output indicates max, maximum value, MIN, minimum value, PP, maximum value, minimum value, and AVG, average value. For 0% to 1, pulse uses channel B, and its output indicates maximum value, minimum value, PP, maximum value, minimum value, and average value of plus pulse width and pulse width. Simulation function is used for inspecting operation status of solenoid or sensor circuit. By entering corresponding voltage and pulse in signal line ECU input terminal of sensor or controlling duty. Voltage output uses channel B, and a random voltage signal can be output to allow inspection of ECU. Pulse output function uses channel B. Instead of a certain sensor signal, frequency Hertz is transmitted to ECU. Actuator control function uses channel A, and this function checks whether operating signal of actuator, which is operated forcefully by the user-defined frequency Hertz and duty dash and delivered to engine, and the actual operating status of actuator.